What's your name?
Sage.
What's your favorite Starbucks order?
Honestly, I'm still trying to figure that one out. I mean, I do like a lot of Starbucks, the teas and that. I just not loving the frappuccinos.
Okay, good. What's your name?
Edith.
What grade are you in?
6.
What's your favorite Starbucks order?
Depends on the season.
For right now.
Pumpkin spice latte.
What's your name?
My name is Legacy Brown.
Nice. Okay, what grade are you in?
I'm in 6th grade.
Okay, what's your favorite Starbucks order?
It has to be the
I love that one. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Name.
Siobhan.
What's your favorite Starbucks order?
Caramel Raisin Crunch with extra caramel.
Cool. What's your name?
Major.
What grade are you in?
6.
What's your favorite Starbucks drink?
Dark coffee.
Okay, cool.
Bye.